Hello everyone and welcome back. And today we're going to be working on how to scan QR code on YouTube video, the tutorial for 2025. Now let's say this particular video you want to scan the QR code. How do you do it? Now let's say this video for example, you tap on it, you play the video. Once it starts playing, you pause the video and then you tap on more and you scroll down until you see transcript. Tap on show transcript, and this is a transcript. You can see timeline chapters. If there's QR code, it should be included, but as you can see, there is no QR code because not all videos have QR code attached to their video transcript. But in case the one you have does actually have a QR code, what do you do? Now what do you do? It's quite simple. You see, as I said earlier, QR codes don't typically appear within the standard YouTube video transcript itself. However, QR codes can be associated with YouTube videos in a few different ways. For example, within the video content. Now, a video creator might visually include a QR code within the video itself. In this case, you would pause the video at the moment the QR code is visible, then use your smartphone's camera or a QR code reader app to scan it directly from your screen. You can also use the YouTube sharing feature. YouTube does provide QR code functionality within its sharing options, particularly for sharing YouTube channels. So in the share menu, sometimes a QR code option will be available. I can show you this one easily. Now if I want to share this video, go back a little. So you want to share, click on share. Then you can see there's no option for QR code for this particular video, but there's other videos from their channels that you can share. I will show you an example of that. For example, let's say Andy's guide. So you can see, let's click on more at the top, click on share. You can see the QR code, tap on it, and this is a QR code. You can save to camera roll and then scan it later on. So moving back to what we're saying, you can also use an external QR code generator. People can use third-party QR code generators to create QR codes that link directly to a YouTube video or channel. These QR codes can then be shared in various places such as websites, social media, or printed material. Now here, if you have a QR code in the video and you want to scan it, what you do is pause the video, open your smartphone camera app. Most modern smartphones have built-in QR code scanning. So you point your camera at the QR code on your screen. Your phone should recognize the QR code and provide a link to follow. This means the YouTube cannot be playing on the same phone unless your phone is really advanced. Now if you want to share a YouTube channel via QR code, I showed you how to do it. You can download it. So it's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.